Tonight Show. You're here. You made it. This is the place to be. I'm your host, Jimmy Fallon, and this is the race through New York. This is very exciting, guys. In a few minutes, we're going to go head-to-head in a high-speed, action-packed race through New York City. You're going to see it all. You're going to see Times Square, the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building. But before we start, I have to tell you about some very important safety precautions. And I don't want to talk about them. That's boring. I want to rap about them. Do you know what I'm saying, Jim?
Yeah, Jimmy, I think you're saying you want me to rap the race through New York safety precautions.
That's right, Roots. Give me a beat.
If you're pregnant or your blood pressure's abnormal, I'm sorry, this simply isn't a suitable ride for you. Other people were unable to allow admission and those with various back, neck, or heart conditions. You better start to listen. It's risky business if you're prone to dizziness or any type of motion sickness. No videos, photos, recording, or going social is allowed. I hope I'm speaking loud and clear enough. You getting this? You definitely should sit this one out. I have to say to you, if you have recent surgery or a condition that's aggravatable by this race intervention, it's unsafe if you enter. Profaning is the simplest way to avoid being injured. If you're lucky enough to be allowed to take this ride, your arms, legs, heads, and hands must remain inside. Not to mention your feet. And keep your loose article safety stored beneath the seat. Information complete.
How you doing right there?
Ow! Stop talking about soccer and let's start the ride!
I'm sorry. Who are you?
I'm Sarah, and in case you're wondering, it's S-A-R-A with no H, because H's are out. This is my lame stepdad, Gara.
And if you're wondering, that's G-A-R.
Ew, Gara, no one's wondering how to spell it.
Guys, you're not supposed to be here yet. The rest of the audience is still outside waiting to come in.
Yeah, fine. Let's get out of here. Gara, take me to the gift shop.
All right, Sarah, but you're only getting one souvenir.
Ew, I want a t-shirt, I want a mug, I want a Hassan the Panda doll, I want a basket full of Popeyes.
All right, let's just go. Catch you on the flippity flop.
I love Popeyes!
I know you do.
All right, guys, this is it. We're about to start. I'm going to go backstage and hop in the Tonight Rider. We're going to take a quick break while you head into the studio. I'm going to see you in a bit. Fun!
Welcome, audience members, to Studio 6.
Hey, it is time for the race through New York. You know the course, you know the rules. First one back wins the Tonight Show Cup. Higgins, can you count us down, please? Ready, set, let's go! Tight pants. Tight as another land. Hey, show me your moves. Anyone else? That home was already there. New York City. The lights, sound, the traffic. What? Are you talking to me? Is he talking to me? Here we go. Times Square. I think I know my way around Times Square. No problem. Oh, come on. Hey, no fair. You're winning. The audience takes the early lead. First place feels so good. Shortcut time. Pardon me, go through everybody. Hey, it's the ragtime house. Oh, it's on now.
Approaching checkpoint 1 and Jimmy's in the lead. Ew, you almost ran over my Popeyes.
God, what took you so long?
Cool car.
Are you guys superheroes?
No, but we do fly. Tonight, Rider, engage flight mode.
Catch you on the flippity flop.
Can't beat New York City pizza. Here, try a slide. It's a pizza pie. What else is good in 3D? Oh yeah, t-shirt cannon. One for you, and one for you, and one for you. Hey, these t-shirts look cool. We should sell them. Wait, hold your breath. Stay in school, kids. You get it? School of...
Statue of Liberty.
Start spreading the news. I'm winning the race. Fireworks.
It's a tight race.
State Building? Then why are you 300 feet tall? No, hashtag, let them go. No, and panda.
Flight detour, folks. We're on the moon.
Oh, hey, it's the Roots, the first band on the moon. Sweet gig. James, can I get some thank you note writing music, please? Thank you, the moon, for turning regular old dirt into moon dust. All aboard the space train! Space train? I've heard about this.
Once completed, it will be the first ever roller coaster from the moon to the Earth.
Wait, once completed. Hyper tube! Hey, it worked! I've never tried that before, actually. So good! So fun! Listen to my voice in the tube! Whoa, 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 whoa. First place is awesome!
It's neck and neck as the racers approach the finish line.
Oh, so close! Hey, that's too close!
The audience wins!
I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. Congratulations, guys. You did it! You know I let you win. Well, that was so much fun. Come back and race me anytime. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Is it hot in here? It's hot, right? Can we do that one more time? That was fun.